Today, I'm going to show you our experience of a desert safari in Dubai. I'm also going to do a cost breakdown. The tour included a pickup at our hotel at 2 p.m.
The first stop,
We're going to have a quad bike experience, but before that we need a keffieh.
50 dirham.
I love the way they tie it. As you can see, it's an Arabic headscarf. It's supposed to protect you from the sand and the cold and also the heat. You can pay cash or by card.
You said how much for this one?
Together or separate? It is 35.
It's clearly an experience to wear it. It's not mandatory. You can do the quad bike without it. This activity was listed in the tour, but we had to pay before to do it. We were ready for this 30-minute ride. Later, we went on the side of the fence to switch places, do solo rides, take pictures and videos. It was awesome.
I was so scared, but I love it.
Then, we heard a whistle and saw a guy waving. It was our cue to end the ride. If you like it so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I know you're waiting for the cost. We chose the double bike ticket. $68 per bike.
It was amazing. Now it's time to go to the next step.
We were a group of 7. Well, what was included in the tour? Sand dune bashing. Oh my goodness, it was such an experience.
Are you okay?
The next activity is also included. It's a really short camel ride, but you have to do a long queue for it. There were other guys there with camels, so we just paid $5 per camel for a longer ride. They took some pictures before to start the ride, but we gave them our phones to take some videos and pictures, and we were good to go. The weather was perfect, not too cold, not too hot. We did this in February. The next activity was sandboarding.
Beautiful. Can you hear that? Beautiful experience. I couldn't do the sandboarding. No.
This experience is such a core memory for our family. The next things included in our tour are a barbecue dinner, unlimited water and soft drinks in the camp, different shows during the night. Well, we paid $13.50 each to go to the VIP section to have an unlimited buffet. Honestly, the tour was so affordable that we were ready to pay more on site. Peaceful ride, but in reality, we had to say no every 5 minutes to someone selling something. At one point, a seller was really mad. After friendly negotiation, my husband was able to buy 3 camel rides photos at 50 dirhams instead of 1 at 35. Okay, let's enjoy a bit the show. The tour cost us $108.35. As you can see, if you choose to do extra activities, it's gonna cost you more. We paid $338.41.
I love it!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support.